everyone, and welcome back to the Crafting Chemist. Today we're going to be looking at how to do the Fisherman rib stitch, which is basically a combination of ribbing and the knit one below. So if you are unaware of how to do either of those or both of those stitches, please check out my previous videos that explain each of those. So as you can see, I already have a knit one, purl one rib set up, ready to go to show you how to do this. And so my next stitch is a knit. So instead of going in here like I normally would for knitting a rib stitch, I'm going to do my knit one below stitch here. Loop around, bring it out, loosen the loop. Make sure that you went in between so you don't actually just drop the top stitch. But yeah, you're just going to do that again. So I'm going to do my purl, do my knit one below instead of the knit. And you are just going to continue that pattern, making sure to loosen those loops that you're removing and to have a consistent gauge tension here. So how is this different, other than obviously if you're using a different stitch, but the texture as in comparison to a normal knit one, purl one ribbing, you can see that the stitches for our Fisherman's ribbing is a lot looser than this. These are the same yarn, same needle sizes, just a different color. If you also were to look at from the edge, you can see that the Fisherman's ribbing is also a lot thicker of material. So depending on what the pattern is asking for or what you are wanting texture-wise will determine which type of ribbing you're wanting to do. But I hope that makes sense and will help you in your next project. Have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.